The city of Noida has been ever growing from malls to transport system to golf course. The city has every amenity of a modern day city. Ashwini Multi-Speciality Hospital is an emerging hospital that is adding to the glory of the world-class city. Our hospital, situated at Sector 51 in the heart of Noida, is just 10 minutes walk from Noida City Centre metro station. The hospital is a 15-minute drive from anywhere in Noida, making sure we are at your service anytime, on time. Ashwini is a 100-bed hospital with cardiology, neurology, oncology and other state-of-the-art super specialty departments. The hospital also has advanced facilities in the gynecological, respiratory and psychiatry department that are equipped for complex diagnosis and treatments of all kinds. The Department of Radiodiagnosis and Imaging, headed by Dr. Shivram Iyer, is equipped with world-class technology for quick and precise diagnosis for the benefit of the patient.
I am in charge of the radiology department here. We have made a modest beginning in the sense that we have an ultrasound equipment fully replete with color Doppler and echocardiography, and we also have an X-ray unit, high-end X-ray unit as well. This ultrasound machine is a very high-end unit, and it has 4 probes. We intend to put up a multi-slice CT and a supercon MRI as well. The way the owners of this hospital function, it's not an autocratic setup. It's a very friendly, work conducive and extremely healthy atmosphere.
Ashwini aims to provide holistic healthcare to all the patients, believing that it is the doctor's religion to heal. The ENT department is headed by Dr. Vijay Kapoor, a doctor who is not only a good orator but can diagnose and treat the most complicated ENT issues.
At Ashwini Hospital, all type of advanced surgeries will be done, like endoscopic surgeries will be done here along with cochlear implant, and patient will be satisfied.
The hospital's name Ashwini is derived from Ashwini Kumar, who was the doctor of gods and treated gods of their ailments. It is with the same dedication that the doctors of Ashwini work.
I am Ashwini.
I am Ashwini.
I am Ashwini.
I'm Ashwini.
I am Ashwini.
The hospital is equipped with an X-ray room that has imported machines providing digital X-ray. The Department of Gynae is under Dr. Nisha Jain, who has immense experience in pre- and postnatal pregnancy care.
This hospital is very good. It has a very good labor room with all modern equipments which required during the delivery, and it has a very good OT, which is fully equipped with the laparoscopic instruments, with all accessories which you need during operating the gynae surgery. And we have very good ICU and CCU. If patient gets any complications during any procedures, we have the full facilities to take care of that patients. And we have very good nursery for newborn babies. Even we can take care of the very low birth babies here, which can be taken. And we have very good incubators. At least we have 4 incubators. We can equip 4 babies at a time in this nursery.
The hospital provides utmost care in form of clean, tidy and classy rooms. We have single-bedded, double-bedded and 4-bedded rooms with separation. The Department of Psychiatry is looked after by Dr. Saurabh Vats. Our hospital is proud to have one of its kind rehabilitation department.
We are very happy as a part of Euthymia Group being associated with Ashwini Hospital, because they have given us the opportunity of providing a complete range of comprehensive treatment to all sort of psychiatric and behavioral issues. We have a complete team which includes psychiatrists, psychologists, counselors and occupational therapists. And we are now having all facilities to deal with all sort of psychiatric disorders, childhood disorders, elderly issues, de-addiction, And we are also happy to announce that we are one of its own kind of clinic for tobacco cessation. And we are also starting a specialized clinic for children and adolescents, along with providing you a wide range of therapies like biofeedback, neurofeedback, neuroentrainment, electroconvulsive therapy, and hypnotherapy.
With facilities like a 24-hour emergency room and a very warm reception, we aim to provide best attention for early diagnosis and treatment. The hospital shall always endeavour to keep patients first, and Dr. U.C. Bansal plays a vital role in doing so.
मेरा सपना है कि मैं यथाशक्ति चिकित्सकों एंड रोगियों के बीच में एक सामंजस्य स्थापित कर सकूं, जिससे चिकित्सक एक मुक्त वातावरण में अपनी विशेषताओं के साथ रोगियों को उचित इलाज कर सकें और रोगियों की अपेक्षाओं को पूरा करते हुए उनके बीच में एक सामंजस्य स्थापित हो जाए, जिससे हमारा अश्वनी अस्पताल समाज में एक प्रतिष्ठित स्थान पे स्थापित हो जाए.
Pharmacy is a prerequisite for a holistic healthcare system. The pharmacy caters to all your pharmaceutical needs. The Path Lab, with its high-end machines, is another boon to patients. Dr. Kiran Gupta, Chief Managing Director, is the person who has believed in the dream called Ashwini and has always aspired for a healthcare system that will give satisfaction to a doctor who hopes to serve the society.
लक्ष्य निर्धारित करके उसे पा लेने में ही जीवन की सार्थकता है. यह अश्वनी अस्पताल ईश्वरी कृपा से आज बनकर खड़ा हुआ है और मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये चिकित्सकों की एक कर्म भूमि बने और यहाँ पर सभी चिकित्सक अपने मनोयोग, निष्ठा और अपने अपने जो उनका ज्ञान है उससे मनुष्यों को और जितने भी रोगी हैं उनकी सेवा करते हुए इस अश्वनी अस्पताल को एक नए शिखर पर ले जाएं, ऐसा मेरा विश्वास है.
Dr. S.K. Gupta, chairperson of Ashwini, the man behind this big dream, is the one who has made all this possible.
The aim of establishing Ashwini Hospital is to provide best medical services to the patients at reasonable rates and to provide a healthy working atmosphere for the doctors so that they can do well. And with this aim, we hope that we should do well in future.
We wish to provide perfect healthcare with the perfect equipments, state-of-the-art infrastructures and people who are more than just doctors.
I am Faith.
I am the natural.
I am Hope.
I am Elixir.
I am Trust.
I'm Courage.
We are Ashwini. Ashwini aims at providing holistic healthcare treatment with treatments of physiotherapy, homeopathy, yoga as alternative and additive treatments. Ashwini Hospital aims to bring a revolution in perfect healthcare system at really affordable prices. So come and join us in bringing a revolution in health industry.
Come, join us and grow with us.
Come, join and grow with us.
Come, join and grow with us.
Come join and grow with us.
Come join and grow with us.
Come join us and grow with us.
Come join and grow with us at Ashwini Multi Speciality Hospital.